In 11.2, we're going to compare and order integers. So let's take a look at some examples. We're going to compare negative 12 and negative 10. So it's helpful to look at a number line. So negative 12 is right here, and negative 10 is right here. So since negative 12 is to the left of negative 10, that means that negative 12 must be less than negative 10, or negative 12 must be negative 10 must be greater than negative 12. So now let's try 3 and negative 5. Well, here's a positive 3, and here's negative 5. Since 3 is to the right of negative 5, 3 must be greater than negative 5, or negative 5 must be less than 3. And again, a positive is always greater than a negative. So you don't really have to graph those on a number line. A positive number is always going to be bigger. But if they're both positive or both negative, it might help you to draw it out. Okay, so now let's try putting some in order. So when they give you a bunch of numbers, it might be helpful to put them all on a number line. So 16 is about here, negative 2 is right here, negative 35 is all the way over here, positive 68 is over here, and negative 10 is right there. So now, from least to greatest, I'm just going to go this way along the number line. The first one that comes is negative 35, then comes negative 10, then comes a negative 2, then 16, and 68. Okay, so now let's try doing our own. Plot all these on the number line. So positive 4 is here, 0 is here, negative 3, positive 1, and negative 2. So now from least to greatest, I have negative 3, negative 2, 0, 1, and 4. Okay? So now you're going to try in these quick checks, and then you're done. So in quick check number 1, you're going to use your inequality symbol and, make it eat the bigger number. So compare those two integers. And then in quick check 2, you're going to plot these on a number line. What I suggest you do is, you don't have a lot of lines, and these are pretty big. So I might put 0 here, and maybe go up and down by 25. So like make this 25, make this 50, and so on and so forth. Okay? And then you can plot your numbers, and then make sure you put them in order. So I'm going to list them out in order from least to greatest. And then we'll check your work in class.